Hi guys, this is Chef Faiz Khan and we are back with another beautiful recipe today. We'll be making a very special prawns recipe, Prawn Shaslik Tawa fry. We will make a very basic, easy marination first, then we will tawa fry it and it will be ready to go. In just few steps, let's go. To begin with, we'll take half a cup of curd. You can take hung curd as well, it will give better result. 1 tablespoonful of red chili powder, 1 tablespoon coriander powder, half teaspoon cumin powder and half teaspoon of freshly grounded garam masala powder, quarter teaspoon haldi just to add that flavor, and kitchen king powder if it is available, half teaspoon, and salt 1 full teaspoon, and Szechuan chutney 1 full tablespoon, and 1 full tablespoon of besan. Squeezing 1 full lemon juice, 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. Now tearing in 5 to 6 fresh curry leaves into our marinade, and time for a little stir, tweaky. So we're gonna mix our marination properly. Then on the other hand, on the chopping board, I'm taking the prawn. I'm using tiger prawn. You can use a bigger size, or if not possible, you can use with smaller prawns as well. So you have to devein the prawn, de-shell, and you have to remove the tail as well. You have to prick with the help of 3 fingers like this and make the prawn into an elongated body like this. You have to be very careful, very gentle, and at the same time little hard on the points, and it will come straight like this. With the help of a toothpick or a shashlik stick, we can make this elongated like this. If you don't put toothpick, when you put in hot oil, it will shrink back to its normal position. All goes into the marinade and mix. And it is ready to go. Hot oil in a nice non-stick pan. 1 by 1 prawns going into the hot oil. Don't overcrowd the oil, otherwise the temperature will come down and it will start to lose all the marinade. Just like this, beautiful. After like 2 or 2.5 minutes, we will be flipping the prawns like this. And the beauty of the dish, any tawa fried dish, is like it will be half coated, half loosened, but that crispy texture, that crispy masala that you scrape from the base has to come to the dish, because that gives a very nice appeal. So our tawa shashlik prawns is ready to go, squeezing a little lemon juice from the top, and it is ready to go. Spectacular, incredible, amazing. You know it, heaven, irresistible, unmatchable. This is the perfect, easy recipe, very easy, just few ingredients. No need at all for hours and hours of marination, just 10 to 15 minutes and it is ready to go. For more such unique and interesting recipes like this, do hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Best of luck and enjoy. Keep watching CFK. Oh.